Hello students, in this video we will learn deletion of first node in circular singly linked list. First we see the logic, then we will write algorithm for it. Case 1 is when circular singly linked list is empty, that means value of last is equals to null. So then we have to print there is no node to delete. Case 2 is when circular linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null, but circular linked list contains single node. So before deletion there is a single node in circular linked list. How we can check there is single node in circular singly linked list? For that we have to check if the value of link is equals to value of last. Value of last is 500 and the value of link value is also 500 because there is a single node in circular linked list. When the last link is equals to last, it means there is a single node in circular linked list. Then we have to store the address of this node into the temporary pointer. We can write temp equals to last arrow link, that means 500, or you can write temp equals to last, because value of last link and value of last is same. So either you can write temp equals to last arrow link or temp equals to last. When we delete this node, the value of last should be null, so we have to make last equals to null and then delete this temporary node. So after deletion, circular linked list having no node and value of last is null. Case 3 is when circular singly linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null and having more than one nodes. So before deletion we have a circular singly linked list containing 3 nodes and we want to delete this first node from this circular linked list. So first we have to store the address of this node into temp, and we know that the address of first node is always stored in link part of the last node. So link part of the last node contains the address of the first node, so we have to write temp equals to last arrow link. When this node will be deleted, this node will be the first node of circular linked list, so the address of this node should be stored in link part of the last node and 500 is stored in temp link, so we have to write last arrow link equals to temp arrow link. We want to change the link part of the last node by the link part of the temp, so we have to write last arrow link equals to temp arrow link. Now this node is pointing to this node, so now we can delete this temp node by writing delete temp. So after deletion, circular linked list contains 2 nodes having value 20 and 5, and last node is pointing to this node. So the algorithm is, first we have to write algorithm colon, name of algorithm is C delete underscore first, that means deletion from circular linked list at first position. The parameter which is required is last, which is a pointer to last node. Purpose of this algorithm is, this algorithm deletes a node at first position in circular linked list. Step 1, check for empty linked list. If there is no node available in linked list, then we have to print no node to delete, and we know that if the value of last is equals to null, that means there is no node available in circular linked list, so we have to print no node to delete and exit from this algorithm. But if the circular linked list is not empty and contains single node, we have to perform the following steps. First we have to check the availability of single node in circular linked list by writing last arrow link equals to last. If the value of link part of last is equals to value of last, that means there is a single node in circular linked list. In that case we have to store the address of this node into temp by writing temp equals to last and update the last pointer by null, because after deletion of this single node our circular linked list will be empty and delete this temporary node and exit from the algorithm. These steps I explained you in case 2. Step 3 is when circular linked list contains more than one node. In that case, we have to store the address of link part of last node into temp. That means we are storing address of first node into temporary pointer. Then we have to update the link part of last node by link part of temporary node and delete the temporary node. These steps I explained you in case 3. In next video, we will learn how to delete last node from circular singly linked list. Thank you.